Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell Shiba Inu coin on crypto.com. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. To start, go to your web browser and then search for how to sell Shiba Inu coin on crypto.com. And then you can see right here the first option. Tap on this. And here you can see the step-by-step process on how you can sell Shiba Inu coin on crypto.com. Now scroll down and here you'll see to sell SHIB tokens, simply select the sell option instead of the buy option. Then follow similar steps above. It really couldn't be simpler. So it's really easy. You just have to select the sell option instead of buy. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have suggestion or question about this video, just leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.